Alright, we're here to catch a swarm. They look like they're just about right to put into a nuke box. And that looks pretty perfect. So I just have to get the box under them and shake it. That looks really easy. That's great. It's about 7 feet up, 6 feet up. Just one shake and it'll be done. Very good. Let's see if I can video this while I'm doing it with one hand. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Definitely got the queen in there. They're in there fanning like crazy, drawing the other ones to them. That's good. Swarm capture done. It's a pretty small swarm though.